People, now welcome back to my channel today. Blessing CEO and Deeone of the Big Brother Naija double up season, they don't come out come drag Phyna over unpaid debt where she dey claim say Multichoice never pay her. So as we all know, Phyna come out few days ago come call out Multichoice say they never pay her the money wey be say they promise her for the win wey be say she win as Big Brother Naija season 7 winner. So everybody don't get mixed reaction over that allegation wey be say she dey lay against Multichoice. Some of her colleagues wey be say be past winners don come out come drop their receipt and Phyna don reply them. So Blessing CEO come out come dey talk to say the reason why Phyna dey come out dey come call out Multichoice na because she poor. Say Phyna have been pretending since she come out of Big Brother house say she get money whereas she no get money. Say the only people wey be say she know say they get money na Uriel, Bam Bam and wetin dey call it, wetin be the other person name wey be say she call Bisola. She say na dem, say those ones na real legend, say but dem no dey make noise, dem no dey chase clout, but Phyna is always chasing clout. I go first of all drop wetin Blessing CEO talk before I drop wetin the one for Big Brother double wahala season talk, so make una lis ten for una sef.
For now, if they pay you, enter house, Libaye. Make me face your high priestess, your noise maker. The good thing about Libaye is Libaye know they make noise, so there's really nothing to drag. But Phyna, noise maker, you come out, say Big Brother no pay you, OT law. OT law. I feel it's the first saga. This one na phase 2. We start again. I hear you going to see. It's alright. Yes, now. She know they keep posts. What she do? If she won't even do, she will do either Instagram live or TikTok live. And most of them just want their page to be clean when brand come. I don't think you understand my point. At that point, to be say brand they come your page, they don't see saga. So if you go her page, like only they see her the whole world, all those fake product page, they pay her to 2,000. So when you now go to her page, you think that she's rich or she's working. You know, this thing is a perception. She be truth, they come out small. When I told people that Phyna was poor, you people said I was joking. When I told people that Phyna did not have a house in Lagos, something I'm gonna go. On my motto, you thought I was yabbing her. I know they talk with I don't know. And if I give una gist, go and sleep. I know they talk Phyna, we know and this no be lucky with day. Our story day here. I know these people where they find my trouble, they are not even private. They are nyash there for outside. So I'm not surprised. We know, but I'm happy that she has said it with her mouth. We know. But that guys, if na me talk am now, she for Congo slam me with defamation of character. You understand, Priska? I dey come once in a while, and make a confession gradually. At the end of the day, God bless you. The relationship therapist is always the winner. Now them last, they use their mouths to confess, so they don't pay you. So what have you been doing all these years? When I said it that Phyna is not successful, when I say she get money, she be high priestess. We know successful people. They are people that did not win Big Brother, but we know that they are hustling back. We know clout chasers. We know people that are trying to, you know, even Bisola. Please, I know Bisola now, that season. Bisola is still winning. You don't even need to make noise. Like Bisola of that Big Brother. Kajiaje go carry Phyna win a Big Brother. But I know by each the one fake product, it's like this. No, we know successful people. They don't even need to make noise. There are people that are from Big Brother. Uriel is more successful than Phyna. But a lot of people will argue with you. They will say, nah, lie. Uriel, a lot of winners. There are so many Big Brother Naija people, even Bam Bam. Yes, they don't even talk so much.
If you reach out to one of them, say how far waiting they happen, they go tell you why they never pay you your money. That's if they owe you, because we don't even know whether now true you they talk anymore. Now you go talk 5 person call you, one give you 5 million a night. Now you go talk this one. We know they know the one way not true. But let's assume say this the way they talk not true. This calling out like somebody person, okay, this company now give you platform where they know you. Now that the good way they do now, you won't use them, take hurt them. Does it make any sense? If they call out Multichoice. You see these people, no, these people, they not just be, they not just be children. They just don't understand life. Even nobody in Nigeria, I dare anybody in Nigeria entertainment industry to call out Multichoice. I dare you. You say you decrease, drag Multichoice first. You say you get Chris, drag them. They always respect themselves. They've done nothing more than adding value. If there's any issue, follow them talk. Your money reach Ilebaye money. Ilebaye's money is 120 million cash. They don't send her my money. Does that not tell you something? There's something you've not done, or there's something you are doing they don't like. You can't they bring say because you know get money. That's not the point. Yeah, because you know get money, now they make they put you for the show. Now make they put all of us for the show. If to say all of us get money, we for be sponsor. We are not dragging multi-choice. Which kind of disrespect be that one? Multi-choice, we comedy where I go do, they cut me. They never allow me finish my this. They still pay me full money. Waiting cause I do. They take me money or anything. You know how many people, millions of people where they subscribe. Those ones, they know oh God. Are you joking? You drag them. They say I'm nine tomorrow now. Okay, so if they stop this show now, because you know how many people feel no get opportunity because of this thing where they do, they just this thing where they don't do. Yeah, stop them. You can't shut the door now for young people. They drag multi. Okay, so as they tell us online now, what to make we do? Make we go do hashtag pay Phyna money. I don't understand. Reach out to them. Be humble yourself. Humble yourself. Reach out to them. Alpha, what's the problem? What have I do? What did I do now? Or what did I never do? I be no say contract day. You want to act now that you don't know there is a contract. I beg. All these people say.
Una don hear wetin the both of them talk. Now, first of all, Deeone, I don't know Deeone obsession with Phyna, and the thing don't tire me. Because anytime we say Phyna do something, the one they always come out to come attack her. I don't just know why all of a sudden the one just despise the girl like that. Even when not be Phyna dey at fault, the one go still come out to come call out. Now the same platform where Big Brother give Phyna, now I give the one. Yet the one not utilize the own way. Phyna utilize her own way. At least since Phyna come out, since she became the winner, she have been trending back to back, even though say na through controversial news. But also for Blessing CEO, that one I don't know her obsession with Phyna too, but two of them deserve each other. So as Blessing CEO talk her own finish, Phyna come out to come reply her. So make I read wetin Phyna talk about Blessing CEO. So Phyna come out come say people wives and mothers opening space on my head for 1000 years. Yes, people open space for Phyna matter, the judge her matter, say she get very bad character. That's why Multichoice no pay her complete. So come continue come say I just came by a very zhizgoshki one on this TL just now. Respectfully, you all women spinning this trash as zhizgoshki. Reason why I dey support Phyna for this debt saga na because me I no dey like make person owe me. The thing dey pay me well well, dey do me as if you dey cheat me. If say Phyna go don use polite way take ask them to pay her money since dem no gree lis ten to her before she come bring am out to the public. Na social media na things dey happen these days. Be say I still not blame people wey be say dey drag Phyna, because if na person, another person na dey in this particular shoe wey Phyna dey, so Phyna for don drag the person, mock the person tire, because that's the type of person she, especially if she not like you, you go suffer for her hand. So I just think she dey get the repercussions of all her actions wey be say she don portray so far. And before I forget, congratulations to Phyna, because she don enter into film making. Get her own studio where be say they produce film. She is now a producer of a movie. You know what that thing mean? Do you know what it means to be a producer of a movie? So na big congratulations to her. I hope she go concentrate on the things where be say they bring her money rather than fight and quarrel all the time. Una take care, una bye.